I'm going to show you two commands that you will probably never use, but that you use all the time, if that makes any sense. Well, it actually does make some sense. Any command that produces output has two hidden commands built into the pipeline. If I say get service, here's what's actually going on. It's actually doing get service out default out host, but these are hidden. But they are in the pipeline, and you have to remember that those are in the pipeline because if you're creating a pipeline, sometimes it explains something funky going on in that pipeline. Now, what do these mean? Out default simply sends it to an engine within PowerShell that chooses what's going to show and what isn't going to show. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and run this. And you'll see that I have three columns here. These columns represent three different properties that are running. Let me go back up to the top. The status property, the name property, and the display name property. But remember earlier in earlier videos, we said that, well, there are actually 14 different properties that are available to us. Well, how does PowerShell know to show these particular three? Well, that's part of the out default. It sends it to an engine that then filters. It doesn't really filter out the other properties. They're still there, but it explains how to display them. And then out-host, actually the output, sending the output to the screen here. So that's what the out-host represents. So that's what is going on behind the scenes, and it's just kind of a helpful thing to know.